Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering Brazilian bikini waxing using a Japanese oil massage technique. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of Brazilian bikini waxing using a unique Japanese oil massage technique, ensuring a smooth and comfortable experience. Many people find Brazilian waxing intimidating or painful, leading to a fear of trying it at home. I completely understand why. I've been there too. It's normal to feel anxious about waxing such a sensitive area, but trust me, with the right guidance, simple tricks, the key to a successful at-home Brazilian wax is to be prepared and to know what to expect. By the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to take on the challenge and achieve professional-looking results. One of the main reasons people shy away from waxing is the potential pain and discomfort. But what if I told you there's a way to make the experience not only bearable but actually relaxing? That's where the Japanese oil massage technique comes in, a game changer for waxing newbies and pros alike. I'll walk you through the necessary steps, including preparation, the application of wax, and the use of Japanese oil massage for a soothing effect. It's all about creating a tranquil atmosphere and listening to your body prepare your skin for waxing. This includes exfoliating, trimming, and making sure your skin is clean and dry. Don't worry if you're new to waxing. I'll walk you through each step in detail, so you can feel confident and prepared. Once you've prepped your skin, it's time to apply the wax. This is where most people get anxious, but remember, the key is to take it slow and be gentle. I'll show you exactly how to apply the wax, how to remove it, make the process as smooth as possible. The Japanese oil massage technique is where things get really interesting. This is what sets this waxing method apart from others and makes it truly unique. By incorporating gentle massage, strokes and soothing oils, you can turn the waxing experience into a relaxing spa. The waxing technique and the immediate relief provided by the oil massage, showcasing the transformation from fear to confidence. You'll get to see firsthand how this technique can make all the difference and how it can help you achieve the smooth, silky skin you've always wanted. How the waxing process can be transformed from an intimidating task to a calming experience. You'll learn how to work with your body, not against it, and how to use the Japanese oil massage technique to your advantage. A newfound confidence in your ability to wax at home, and you'll be amazed at how such a simple technique can make such a big difference. The essential steps and techniques discussed, emphasizing the benefits of home waxing and proper aftercare. Remember, waxing is all about taking care of your skin and listening to your body. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a comment with your thoughts and don't forget to check out my other videos for more beauty tips.